Welcome back to the Scale Motor Showroom, guys. Today this video will be little different. What I have done is I have modified two of my scale models, one of Hotwheels mainline and one of Majorette mainline. So let me show you and talk about the car also. As you guys remember, this was from 2024 Hotwheels mainline. In some case it came. This is the Toyota Tacoma. Talking about the car, it's highly detailed. The Toyota logo written on the grille with painted tail lamps, painted headlights, and also tail lamps also, and Tacoma written over here. The thing is, mainly in Hot Wheels you don't have either painted headlights or tail lamps missing, but this one is fully painted. And coming to side profile, you have this some kind of Explorer ridged livery by Bliston, and on the other side same too. So what I have done is I have added a bumper in the front with fog lamps, then a snorkel, then I have added an exploring lights on the top with snow ski board kept on its top, and backside I couldn't find the same size wheel, so I have used a Lego wheel. So now I haven't done wheel swap as it's already high and the wheels are good and looks as if it has explored some places already, and it does free roll. Now coming to another one, this is the Majorette one. Actually I'll keep the normal Majorette photos first, you watch this. So for this, unfortunately I have swapped the wheels with the Hot Wheels one, so the wheel size is not proper, so it doesn't roll, it's just a display model. So coming to what I have done for this, it's not heavy modification, just some modification is what I have done. I have added the bumper from another Hot Wheels car and kept two exploring lights in the front. Then on the top also I have done the same thing, added a snorkel, and in back side I have added two spare wheels. Actually these are the main wheels of this car actually, which I have replaced. So talking about the car, and I have also added a National Geographic Wild sticker over here. So talking about the car details, we have the Toyota logo in the front, in the grille, plastic inserted headlights as its Majorette, then fog lamps, then backside also the tail lamp design, and backside it's written Hilux, Revo and Toyota, and it's very heavy. Being an Majorette mainline, it's a very heavy model actually. So this is the modification which I have done. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos, and please do subscribe, share and comment, and let me know what you guys want to watch. Thank you.